Fivecore Electronics Limited is one of the leading manufacturers of public address systems equipment across the globe, striving to deliver the highest quality products, best service and customer satisfaction worldwide. Established in 1984 by Surinder Singh Kalra, now being run by second generation Amarjeet Singh Kalra, and the third generation is ready to take over the reins of this powerful organization with a vision of developing systems that records and reproduces the enigma of sound in its originality and true flavor. Fivecore Electronics Limited has the distinction of being the largest exporter of electronics goods offering. Spread over an area of 35,000 square yards, Fivecore Electronics Limited has a well-equipped manufacturing facility in Bhiwadi, exporting nearly 1,100 products to more than 56 countries across the globe. The multiplying requirement of audio equipment has created a massive demand which needs to be fulfilled by the small number of players in this field. Supported by strong leadership, systems and huge demand manifold times created by a new music-loving generation. Our products are the hallmark of quality, innovation, technology and expertise, and has marked its place in various national and international events. We have a dedicated and efficient team of 1,000 plus team members working relentlessly for their passion for sound, willingness to innovate and commitment to quality and performance. Fivecore Electronics Limited is indeed a brilliant story of meticulous planning, engineering and execution of world-class practices. A saga of foresightedness, the technical brilliance that lets one experience the science of acoustics.